Welcome to the intermediate level workshop for next level online presentations. There's a lot you can do with your existing image, like changing your camera and also using lighting. In this workshop, we will look at different professional camera options that are useful beyond your webcam. We'll look at what external lighting can do for you, and we also examine which type of microphones that you can use to make your sound better. Greenscreen is an exciting opportunity, and we will have a look at that as well. In short, we'll look at all the different tools you can utilize in order to make your image stunning. Back in the broadcasting software, we'll look at advanced options like using a custom frame. It gives you a lot of different opportunities, such as having a scrolling ticker with different messages. Advanced transitions that go beyond cut and fade, and how you can include yourself as an overlay, and instead of using a box, use an advanced shape. Using the Greenscreen technology, you can overlay yourself running over a background video, which gives a really great stunning effect. And when you work on a document that you show off to your audience, you can also now include keystrokes and mouse persister to use, which is great for educational purposes. As recording is automatic in this software, you can easily afterwards publish it on YouTube or distribute a link to your audience. If you're interested in this, please come to our website and sign up for our workshops. Thank you.